Hi there, and welcome to another video on the Byte Size channel. Today, I'll be giving you an introduction to the Image Compose app. I'd like you to pause the video and just make what you see here. Okay, let's get started. Image Compose basically allows you to create or generate a texture and fill it with what you want. So I'm going to try and show this in its most basic form. So I'm going to pull this out here and I'm going to make a stripes 2 op. So this generates a texture which is output by Image Compose. I'm just going to make this white. So I'm going to grab another copy of this and I'm going to chain them together. I'm going to put the blend mode on multiply. I'm just going to rotate it so we can see there's two textures here being used. So this is something that confuses people from other programming environments or beginners. So I'm going to press F. Image Compose generates an empty texture, like an empty canvas. And it's then going to go down and it's going to process every single object underneath it. At the end, when there's nothing left to process, that final result is then output as a texture by the Image Compose app. This is the way it works because it's textures, not just standard data flow like numbers, for example. So I'll get rid of this and I'm going to go over here. I'm going to make a render to texture app. I'm going to make a basic material, and now I'm going to make a cube. I'm going to disconnect this, and render to texture works the same way. So it also generates an empty texture and it processes everything underneath it. So I'm going to get Image Compose, the stripes, and I'm going to plug it into texture. There we go. So let's say, for example, I want to change the opacity of the material here. I can go over here, make another Image Compose op. And I'm going to grab a checkerboard pattern. And I'm now going to plug this into the texture opacity. And as you can see, we've now got this. So here I've used one texture for the basic material, the diffuse, and the other one for the opacity. So one last thing here that I want to show is performance and optimization. So Image Compose by default uses the viewport size, this resolution here. So I'm going to turn this off. If I click here, I see it's 720 by 480. If I want to make my patches faster, I can lower the texture size. So I'm going to put these both on 512 by 512. There we go. So we've now got a performance increase, especially in slower computers or mobile devices, for example. So this was the basic workflow of Image Compose. If there's 25 ops underneath here, it doesn't matter. It's just basically going to go from the top to the bottom and then output that final result. So I hope this video has been educational. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the video below or on the forums. Thanks for your time. Bye.